Number 5, Marlene. Good! Number 6, Tonya. 1, 2. Pass number 8. Good! Number 8, number 10, Taylor. Good! Number 6, pass number 20, pass number 8. Nice, good! For 3, good!
Number 6, number 5, kailangan tumira pa siya. Ano po? Tumira sa number 10, pasok. Number 6, tumitipot tumira ng 3 points, pasok. 3 points by number 6. Ang bola, pinasa sa number 6, tumira, pasok. 2 points by number 6. Pinasa sa 5, pinasa sa 6, nilayang pasok! Hindi pumasok, pinasa basket pa yung Posoy, yes sir! Tumirang last 6 seconds, 3 points final receiver, pass to number 3, layup is good by number 7. Pipoy by the Posoy! Jump shot by number 8, yes sir! Tumira sa number 5, pasok! And 3 points na by number 7. Na-block! Ayan na, Kuya Gus tumira! Yung
pasok nyo na sa naman, nakay ko na kuya.
Receiver pass to number 17. 3 points by 7. Yes, sir! By Siman. 3 points. 11. Tumira. No good. Passing by number 6 to Mayap. Yes, sir! 2 points for number 6. Jump shot. Pull up. Yes, sir! By number 6. The Posoy jump shot. No good by the Posoy. Pass to number 6, number 17, 3 points. Yes, Tumira, pasok by number 4, Sumalaksa. Pumasok naman tayo by 39. Yes, sir! Number 29.